To achieve color accuracy, monitor calibration matters. It represents your expertise and wins clients' trust. BenQ Palette Master Ultimate makes software calibration easier than ever. Effortlessly select international standard color settings with speed and precision. Enable preview mode to check different preset options. Let's get started. First, monitor settings. Select your monitor and calibrator. Click the red dialog box for detailed values. Adjust brightness to the desired level. You can also use this software to check the color data of another monitor. Measure its values. You can click Done to start the calibration, or save this result to share the color profile with others or for future reference. Second, measurement. Follow the instruction on the screen to start the calibration. A report will be generated. Third, report. Use the reference photos provided, or use your own photos as the benchmark to check the calibration results. Now you can see the before-after results of the calibration, or you can check the results in digits. If you want more details, click here to adjust the delta E value for further information, or reset the calibration benchmark and generate another report. After everything is done, save the report for this calibration. Validates the color settings to ensure the color data remains accurate for long-term color consistency. BenQ Palette Master Ultimate. Faster and easier calibration than ever.